Here we are at Sprinkles on Scottsdale Road.
I'm gonna have this salty caramel.
Okay, go for it. All right, there you go. How fun is that? And you get one. Very nice. All right, 30 seconds to make this dream a reality. Awesome. So fun. Look at this. Your purchase is on the way. Oh, I see. Something's happening. There's some vending going on there.
I can't believe I'm getting a cupcake from a vending machine.
This is it. This is living.
Here it comes.
Here it comes. Yay! Oh, look at, there it is. Oh,
Oh my
gorgeous.
gosh.
Oh, what a great moment.